My name's Gareth Pearson from Agilent Technologies. This is the first in a series of educational videos designed to get you the best performance out of your Agilent ICP MS. Today we're working with the 7900 single quadrupole ICP MS. However, the principles we outline here will apply to other Agilent ICP MS models. Let's look at some common tasks that will help you achieve optimal performance. Analysts report four main topics of concern with ICP MS, namely sensitivity, precision, accuracy, and background. These topics of concern are covered in three key areas: standard and sample preparation, sample introduction, and instrument maintenance. First, let's look at standard and sample preparation. Careful preparation of your calibration standards and using a calibration blank is critical to achieving good accuracy and low background. Use only ultra-pure deionized water, high-purity acids, and Agilent ICP MS certified reference materials for standard preparation. Check all standards are within their use-by date. Check the certificate of analysis for all reagents for potential contamination. Prepare parts per billion and lower concentration standards fresh every day using serial dilutions. Once prepared, check the calibration blank readings for high counts, which could indicate a source of contamination. Sample preparation can also affect accuracy and precision. Ensure that digestion is complete with no particles in solution. Verify that there's no loss of volatile analytes or contamination during sample preparation. For optimal accuracy, always try to matrix match your calibration standards to your samples. Finally, carryover or memory effects can be minimized by ensuring adequate rinse times with an appropriate rinse solution. Next, we'll examine the role of the sample introduction components. Most instrument and analytical failures result from problems with the sample introduction system. So that's where you should start your problem diagnosis or preventative maintenance. The sensitivity, precision, and accuracy of your analysis can be affected by any component in the sample introduction system, including using worn or damaged pump tubing, nebulizer blockage or damage at the tip, using a dirty spray chamber, failure to optimize the torch position, using blocked or damaged sampler and skimmer cones, or incomplete conditioning of cones prior to analysis. Finally, let's look at maintenance. You can use early maintenance feedback to track component usage and identify those needing routine maintenance or replacement. This is known as EMF and is a convenient way to help you prevent problems occurring in the first place. EMF enables you to log your maintenance tasks and predict when maintenance is required. Instructions are provided in the software help menu, your user manual, and the maintenance video disc to guide you through all the routine maintenance tasks. Preventative maintenance can save time and money. Now let me share some general recommendations when using your ICP MS. Prior to analysis, check the peristaltic pump tubing, adjust the clamp, check the connections of the sample introduction system and the sampler cone, paying particular attention to the orifice. Check the drain, the four-line pump and the water recirculator regularly. Before analysis, perform startup procedures which include check the instrument and EMF status, perform instrument tuning, calibrate and check the blank reading. These will ensure instrument performance. Never assume your system is still optimized. Always rinse between samples and for several minutes at the end of a sample run. Your rinse solution should match your sample matrix. Use a matrix blank, fresh calibration standards, and appropriate internal standards. Use EMF to schedule your regular maintenance. Don't wait until you have a problem. Finally, follow your analytical recommendations in your user manuals and regularly perform maintenance as in the maintenance video guide. Thank you for watching. Please see the other videos in this series. where we explore other critical aspects and maintenance procedures you should perform regularly to ensure your Agilent ICP MS always operates at its best.